Welcome to the Home Design Mentor with California architect Steve Randell. What do you get in an extreme 100,000 square foot mansion? Take this fly around tour to see this home's secrets. Designed for a Santa Barbara area ocean view 10-acre site, we'll look at the layout that defines this extravagant Georgian style abode. You can see how one arranges a logical and practical sequence of spaces for a super mansion. In the basement, off a central hall, we find a recreation room, a gun room, a sewing room, and mechanical rooms, and to the left, a safe room apartment with a vault. Moving toward the back left of the basement level, we find an indoor swimming pool, along with a hot pool and cold plunge, steam room, and dry sauna, as well as areas for bathing and dressing. On the opposite end of the basement, we find a wine cellar, a home theater, a cold pantry, and a bowling alley. On to the left rear of the basement area is an 18-car collector's garage. Moving up to the main floor of the house, you enter through an oval-shaped foyer with spiral staircase. The main entry branches off into the grand hall, which leads to an oversized living room, music room, dining room, parlor, study, and billiard room. Moving to the left of the plan, we find the lavish master suite, with his and her bathrooms and wardrobe areas, as well as a private pool, spa, and cabana. There's a large conservatory and lap pool. Back inside toward the rear, we have an exercise room and a laundry room before we get to the dressing rooms for the indoor tennis court. Beyond the courtyard is a formal garden and an outdoor swimming pool with a pool house beyond a trellised colonnade that connects the two rear wings. The right rear is the ballroom and bandstand at the far end facing the ocean view. Outside and to the right rear is an 11-car garage, and in front of that, the chauffeur's quarters. Back into the right front of the layout is the main kitchen and family room, along with a large pantry, caterer's kitchen, and then a media room. Moving up to the second floor, beyond the grand staircase to the center rear is a lounge, and then there are 4 lavish ensuite bedrooms at the corners of the second level central axis. To the left, enter the children's bedrooms outfitted with an all-pair suite, laundry, and small kitchen. At the opposite end is the servants' quarters with their own cooking and living space. Moving up to the attic level of the residence, where dormer windows illuminate the spaces, we find a gift wrap room, seasonal storage, model room, collector space, and art studio to complete the home's amenities. In an exterior overview, let's fly around this beautiful layout where, on the left, we see the pools and the large conservatory. The 2 rear wings enclose the central formal garden bordered with a trellised colonnade between it and the home's primary outdoor swimming pool and cabana. A descending driveway loops down to the collector's garage. As we zoom back into the main entry, we can take in the symmetrical classicism of this magnificent mansion. In these rendered views, we witness a composed and stately manner. In this image of the formal garden, we appreciate the human scale of its classical proportions. This image shows the large swimming pool and pool house with its marble details and beautiful Doric columns. At the private swimming pool off the master suite, there is a pool house with a conservatory on the left. You've been watching the Tuesday Tutor with California architect Steve Randell. Find this presentation entertaining? Subscribe now to get channel notifications for future videos.